Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com, new Windows 10 build to look at. This is 20241 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. Just a couple of changes with this build which I'm going to show you in this video. First thing you'll notice isn't in the release notes, but this was seen a few weeks ago, is the, and then it disappeared and then it was back again, is the Tips app now open by default after I finished installing this build. So this is what I can see. It shows you this rather than just a Microsoft Edge page. And you can see these notes look like they're taking it from the 20H2 update release notes rather than this dev channel one, which you'd expect because the dev channel one's sort of constantly changing. But anyway, that's the first time I've actually been able to see this in action. So what are the changes with this build? Well, one of the things is supposedly the splash screens now is theme aware. So theme aware is if you're in light mode, you get these transparent black backgrounds, and if you're in dark mode you get the sort of dark mode effect. But if I open settings or something like that, then it should be theme aware, so it shouldn't just be white all the time. It should be dependent on whether you're in light mode or dark mode. This is not rolling out to everybody, so this is the first time I've tried it on this build. Oh, there we go. So we've got it into light mode there. So I'll go to dark mode. There you go, dark mode. Only subtle change, but at least if you're in dark mode especially, you're not going to get this glaring bright light every time you open the a UWP app. So this thing's like calculator and calendar will also support that, and the Windows Store and so on. Another change is here on the storage page. You've got the option to do the optimized drives, which brings up the defrag page, which has got the advanced view on there, which shows hidden volumes, and you can see the current status on there as well. I must admit, I've never really used this. I used to use it on old spinning hard disks, but never really use it on here. So that's a new thing for this build. The rest of the changes are all fairly minor. They fixed some issues, or they've made some changes with the Narrator for when your machine's locked, it reads the unlocking. They've changed some language issues as well. There's quite a lot of fixes in this build as well. Let me see if I can show you. So some of the fixes include some bug checks, an issue with the pinch, scrolling and pinch not working on the Pro X and the Surface Pro 7. They're fixing issues with installing x86 apps and BitLocker issues, some renaming issues, VPN issues. You see there's actually quite a long list of fixes. There's still a fair list of known issues. There's some hanging around, like this installing the build is still in the known issue list. I still haven't seen that. There's some issues about launching PowerShell, so just check that out as well. So those are the issues. There's not a huge amount of issues with this build, but so far I found this feeling a bit sluggish on my Surface Go. I don't know whether that's just because it needs a reboot, but I'll give it a test and I can report back on the next video. So thanks for watching this video. You can see the next one on all our other videos on the YouTube channel, and I'm on Twitter at @ISDixon.